Today I'm showing you exactly how to use ElevenLabs' brand new image generator with Nano Banana Pro and how to turn those images into cinematic videos using Sora 2, all without overwhelm or complicated settings. Let's get started. Hey, I'm Nicole. I help neurodivergent creators thrive with AI using calm, clear tutorials. Alright, let's open ElevenLabs and jump right in. Once you're logged in, click Image Generation on the left sidebar. Before doing anything else, choose your model, Nano Banana. This is the highest quality option for images and what we'll use today. You'll also see Nano Banana, simpler, faster C-Dream, more stylized and dreamy, but for sharp, consistent results, stick with Nano Banana. ElevenLabs responds best to specific prompts, not vague vibes, but concrete details. Use this formula: subject plus action plus setting plus style plus details. Here are examples you can use. Example 1. A girl walking through Tokyo at night holding a coffee cup, neon signs, cinematic lighting, high detail. Example 2. A close-up portrait of a young woman in soft natural light, pastel background, hyper-realistic. Example 3, we'll use this one today. A futuristic city skyline at sunrise, clean architecture, warm lighting, extremely detailed. This will be our example for both the image and the video. Now, change output count to 2 images, not 4. This reduces overwhelm and makes the decision process easier. Hit Generate. You'll now get 2 images based on your prompt. To avoid decision fatigue, pick the one your brain relaxes around first. Click Download. Choose PNG for the highest quality. If you want to refine it, add a small detail, hit Regenerate. But don't spend 10 minutes zooming and comparing, keep it simple. Now let's turn your image into a cinematic video using Sora 2 Pro, ElevenLabs' best model for motion and realism. Click Video Generation. Select Sora 2 Pro. This gives you smooth camera movement, realistic lighting, and dramatic sequences. We're using the image from example 3, Image Prompt. A futuristic city skyline at sunrise, clean architecture, warm lighting, extremely detailed. Here's how to convert that into a video prompt: camera motion plus setting plus lighting plus details plus duration, Sora 2 video prompt. 4-second slow cinematic aerial fly-through of a futuristic city skyline at sunrise. Clean modern architecture, warm golden lighting, smooth camera motion. Aspect ratio, choose based on your platform, 9:16 vertical, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, 16:9 horizontal, YouTube long form, 1.1, Instagram feed, quality settings, 2K, good for mobile, 4K, best for YouTube, and crisp visuals, I recommended. Always choose 4K, especially for futuristic scenes. The lighting looks incredible. Click Generate Video, then let Sora 2 process. Here's a quick cheat sheet. YouTube Shorts and TikTok. 9:16, 1800 by 1920 or 2160 by 3840, 4K, YouTube long videos. 16 by 9, 3840 by 2160, 4K. Instagram feed, 1:1, but vertical generally performs better. Choosing the right size now saves you a lot of editing later. Let's talk about templates. An amazing feature if you get overwhelmed by blank screens. Click Templates. You'll see options like storyboards, aesthetic reels, product demos, tutorials, character scenes, slideshows. Pick a template you like, then replace the placeholder images, the placeholder text, the placeholder voiceover. Templates reduce decision fatigue and give you a starting point, perfect for low spoon days. The Studio tab is like a minimal, calm editing workspace inside ElevenLabs. You can combine images, Sora 2 videos, text transitions, voiceovers, timing. But here's the simplest workflow. Drag your image or video into the timeline. Add your voiceover, your own, or AI. Add simple text if needed. Export in 4K. You can build entire shorts or reels inside the Studio without switching apps. Here's how to stay calm and productive. Only generate 2 images. Too many choices equals overwhelm. Reuse prompt formulas. No need to reinvent the wheel. Use templates when you're tired. Saves brain power. Keep your workflow inside one tool. Less context switching. Export in 4K. Your content always looks professional. Small workflow changes make a huge impact, especially for neurodivergent creators. And that's how to use ElevenLabs' new image generator with Nano Banana Pro and create videos using Sora 2, all without overwhelm. If you want to try ElevenLabs for yourself, use the link in my description to sign up. It supports the channel and helps me create more calm tutorials like this. Tell me in the comments what tutorial you want next. Deep Agent, Canva AI, Chat LLM features, or another tool. If your brain doesn't fit the system, subscribe. I'll show you how AI can adapt to you. Keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next one.